Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to build an easy, low-waste chicken feeder and water using just a couple of 5-gallon buckets and some really handy kits. I'll be using a couple of 5-gallon buckets along with 2 screw-on lids, all from Home Depot, as well as the Harris Farms poultry watering cups from Tractor Supply, and the ZenxyHoC DIY chicken feeder kit from Amazon. These are budget-friendly, gravity-fed setups that make backyard chicken care more efficient. Let's start with the waterer. These are the Harris Farm poultry watering cups. It's a great way to keep water clean and prevent tipping or bedding contamination. I drilled a couple of holes about 4 inches from the bottom using a 3/8 inch bit. Then just twist the watering cups in. They're threaded and installed pretty easily. Once you fill the bucket and place the lid on, you have to basically teach the chickens to peck on the little lever, and then the water comes out. It'll be a bit of a learning curve for them, but they'll eventually get it. Now for the feeder. The ZenxyHoC kit comes with 4 feeding ports and even includes a hole saw, which is super convenient. First, I chose to place the holes about 2 inches from the bottom. I'm doing all 4 today, spaced evenly. Then I use the included hole saw to drill clean openings on the side of the bucket. The ports slide right in and you screw the rings to lock them in. Once that's done, I add the feed. Gravity does the rest. Chickens peck from the ports without spilling or wasting feed. At least that's the theory. So here's the finished setup. 1 bucket for the feed, 1 for the water. The chickens took to it right away. The feeder keeps the food dry and off the ground, and the cups give them clean, easy access to the water. As you guys know, chickens are very messy creatures. So I did this as a way to cut down on waste and mess in the coop. And it only took about 30 minutes to set up both systems. So if you're looking for an easy and affordable DIY solution for feeding and watering your chickens, this setup seems like a winner. I'll make a video in the future to let you know if this thing worked or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more backyard chicken content. See you next time.